presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ram. This three-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 123,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.